Students, so today we are going to start a new topic, that is bacteria. So bacteria are microscopic prokaryotic organisms which are omnipresent and influence human life both positively and negatively. Okay, so remember, bacteria are nothing but they are microscopic. That means they are micron in size. Their size is in the micron range. You can't see with the naked eye. And second thing is they are prokaryotic. That means they will be having all the prokaryotic features. And another thing is they are omnipresent. Omnipresent means they are present everywhere, and they also influence the human life. They will influence human life both positively as well as negatively. That means some of the bacteria are having beneficial effect, whereas others are having the harmful effects. Coming to the characteristics of bacteria, first thing is they are microscopic. Microscopic means you can't see them with the naked eye, and you can visualize them only under the microscope, and they are having the size in the micron range. Micron means what? Micron means 10 to the power of -6 meter. So that means they are so small and you can't see with the naked eye. Second thing is they are having the prokaryotic features. We have discussed in the prokaryotes what is the prokaryotic feature. That means they doesn't have any proper nucleus, they doesn't have any cell organelles, and they are not they are having the naked DNA, and they doesn't have any nuclear membrane, nucleolus, and they doesn't have any cell organelles, and the ribosomes are of 70 years time. Okay, next thing is they are omnipresent. That means they are present everywhere. So wherever you can find anything, there you can find the microorganisms. You can find the microbes in the soil, you can find the microbes in the water, you can find the microbes on the air, you can find microbes even inside our body. For example, in the gut region, we will be having a specific group of microorganisms. Even on outside of our body also, on the skin also, we will be having various kinds of microorganisms. And the microorganisms are also present on the food we eat. Okay, microorganisms are present even that bacteria, especially the bacteria, they are present even in the deeper earth crust, even in the volcanic roots also you can find some of the microorganisms. The bacteria are even present in the oceans, deeper layer of the oceans. You can also find the bacteria even in the volcanic region as well as the hot water springs. Even in the Antarctic region we can find the microorganism. Even in some of the planets bacteria are found to be present. That means bacteria are omnipresent. That means they are present everywhere. Everywhere we can find the bacteria. So they are present in the soil, they are present in the water, they are present in the air, they are present inside our body, on our body, inside our deeper earth crust, in the oceans, in the river, in the sea, in the hot water spring, under the volcano, Antarctic region, even in the celestial body, even in the Mars is found to have some bacteria. Okay, this means the omnipresent. Omnipresent means present everywhere. This is one of the most important characteristic feature of bacteria. Okay, another important feature of bacteria is some of the bacteria are beneficial. Okay, we have separate chapter known as the biotechnological applications of microorganisms. That time we'll deal it in detail, but remember bacteria is having some beneficial effects. Most of the fermentations that we are used in our day-to-day life are carried out by the bacteria. Whatever we use, dosa, idli, all those things are the products of metabolism of bacteria. Okay, likewise we are also having the harmful effects of bacteria. So some of the bacteria will cause various diseases, and the contamination in the food, and the deterioration, everything, degradation, all those everything are caused by the bacteria.